little bit more mixed review here today, talking about some word problems. I hope that you're prepared. Hopefully this was a fairly easy week because tomorrow you have a boss battle, and I hope it's not a dragon because, spoiler alert, not helping. I still got this kink in my back. I can't. I don't know. Maybe if we slept somewhere besides tents for a little while, I could get it out. All right. I'll get you ready for it, though. Let's take a look at a couple of these. Just a reminder, a lot of times math word problems, multiplication word problems are going to fit really nicely into one of our strategies, which is why we've practiced those ways of visualizing the way multiplication works. So we're going to talk about what strategy makes the most sense for these two word problems that we're going to talk through. Katie has 3 pizzas. So we're starting with our read step from the RDW. Read, draw, and write. I'm going to start with our read step. Katie has 3 pizzas. That's a number, so it's probably important. Each pizza has 6 pieces. This is starting to make me think of equal groups, right? Each something has something else inside of it. How many pieces of pizza does Katie have? So I'm done with my read step. I've got my 2 important numbers. It seems like here we've got our 2 factors, and it's really lending itself to equal groups, right? Here's my first pizza. She's got 3 of them, and each one, if my pen was working, I'd try to draw slices, but I'm pretty sure I'd mess that up with my mouse. So let's just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even if I didn't know this was multiplication before, I'm really clued in by this idea of each. Each of those equal groups has this. Each group has this, which means they're equal, so I can make a nice little equal groups graphic here for my draw step. This also can tell me my answer. I can count them up, or I can say, because really what I wind up doing when I do equal groups is I'm adding in my head rather than counting them all up. 6 plus 6 plus 6, 6, 12, 18. Each pizza has 18. No, not each pizza has 6 pieces. So in all, how many pieces does she have? I'm glad I caught that before I typed it. So how many pieces does she have? Katie has 18 pieces of pizza. Hopefully she doesn't plan on eating them all at once. Sharing them might be good. Let's try another. There are 2 gym bags. Okay, got 2 bags here. Each, there's that word again, helping me know that this is equal groups, which is cluing me in that my operation is multiplication. But even if I don't know that, if I draw a picture of this, I bet I'm going to see that it's multiplication there. Each bag contains 9 tennis balls. How many tennis balls are there in the bags? Well, I can do this 2 ways. I can do my equal groups like this, like I did with the pizza, or I can also always use my tape strip, which you know is one of my favorite strategies for solving all kinds of problems. So I'm looking for how many balls are there in all? How many are there in all? Well, in each set, there are 9. In each of the 2 bags, so I could draw it either like this or like this, there are 9. How many do I have all together? How many tennis balls are there in the bags? Well, 9 plus 9 equals 18. Drawing it out like these 2 ways shows me that I'm looking for the product. I have the 2 factors, 2 times 9, and I'm looking for the product, equals 18. So to give my final answer here in a sentence, there are 18 tennis balls. You'll have a few more like this. Remember, we still haven't found any treasure, so I might just go home tomorrow while you're fighting your boss battle. good luck. I really do have faith in you, but I also really want to sleep in a bed.